Welcome to this Liferay Commerce Basics course. In this module, we're going to be getting started with Liferay Commerce. This module is tailored towards product specialists and category managers, and today we're going to be using Liferay Commerce 2.1. The key takeaways for this module is that Liferay Commerce enables sellers to consolidate the many different stages of the digital commerce operation into a single, easy-to-use platform. Liferay Commerce allows product specialists to create engaging and informative product entries by combining features of DXP with tools that are especially catered to assist B2B use cases. So this basically means that we can use a lot of the different features from DXP and we can kind of couple together with the things that come with Liferay Commerce to make a more informative and a more engaging experience for the buyers in Liferay Commerce. In order to do the exercises in this module, there are a few prerequisites you're going to need. So you're going to need to have the Java JDK installed to run Liferay DXP. You can download that from the link below. There's instructions on how to install the JDK here. And you can also unzip the module exercise files into the following folder structure. That's on a Windows machine in the C directory into a Liferay folder. And on a Unix system, that's in your home directory /Liferay. You're also going to need to install a Liferay Tomcat bundle in the following folder on a Windows machine that's in the C directory Liferay. So you're going to start that Liferay DXP bundle by going into the Tomcat folder and into the bin folder and double clicking on the startup.bat file. That's from a Windows perspective. On a Unix system, you're going to go to your user home /Liferay directory and navigate in terminal into that directory. So you go to terminal, navigate to your user home Liferay directory, then go into your Liferay bundle into the Tomcat bin directory, and from terminal you can run /catalina.sh run, and that should boot up the Liferay bundle for you. You're also going to need to have Liferay Commerce 2.1 installed on your instance of Liferay DXP. An overview of that installation can be found in the link below. In this course and in this module, we're going to be talking a lot about the Minium Automotive use case. So Minium Automotive is a site accelerator or site template that you can build with Liferay Commerce, and it populates your site with a lot of pages and products and catalogs and channels and all the various things that you're going to need to have deployed in order to make Liferay Commerce a kind of usable or demonstratable system. So conceptually, Minium Automotive, it's a business-to-business automotive parts manufacturer and distributor. So it's a global enterprise with a total revenue of $50 million, and it needs a reliable way to offer digital commerce, organize and manage various customer accounts, and integrate with existing systems, including an ERP and CRM. So we're going to be using Minium Automotive to demonstrate a lot of the features of Liferay Commerce. As a business, Minium Automotive have a few long-term goals. So what they want to do is increase the variety of media associated with each product entry, and they also want to reduce the time spent searching for relevant products. So these are pretty broad goals that, anyone using or any company using a commerce solution are going to have. So we think they're pretty applicable to any potential customer. So let's dive right in with the introduction to Liferay Commerce. So what is Liferay Commerce? Well, Liferay Commerce is a business-to-business commerce platform that utilizes the power and versatility of Liferay DXP. So we get all of the features of Liferay DXP, and we've built the Liferay Commerce tool right on top of Liferay DXP. So we get all of the features about workflow, our documents and media management, all our content management, all of those brilliant features that people are really familiar with Liferay DXP. You can use all of those to attract, acquire, and retain customers. So we don't only have the Liferay Commerce features, we can also leverage on our base DXP platform as well. This makes it really easy to bring a variety of web content to the product content. This includes images, videos, and documentation. So on the diagram here on the right, you can see how you might use some of the differing features between DXP and Liferay Commerce through the life cycle and through the entire customer journey. So we might attract a customer with a marketing page or a microsite, or we could engage with a new customer with an inquiry form, product pages. We could retain customers with forums, product knowledge bases, with account management, for instance. So that's a Liferay Commerce feature, but the customer forum could be a DXP feature. And we can also grow our customer base with feedback forms or subscriptions. These are both different features that come from DXP or come from Liferay Commerce. Liferay Commerce has a couple of core concepts which you'll need to become familiar with in order to use the platform. One of these is the shopping experience. So this is how the buyer navigates through catalogs or can add items to the cart and proceed through the checkout process. Secondly, we have empowering the sales network. So this is how on the buyer side, you can organize your accounts, you can map them to organizations, and you can begin to structure your organization within the commerce platform. There's also product content management. So this is adding new images, perhaps documentation or specifications and options to your products. And there is order management. So there's an order lifecycle. So this is managing the status of orders as they proceed from open carts right through to delivered orders. And also the Liferay Commerce Intelligence layer, which will help recommend a particular product to a buyer as they're looking at a different product, for instance. So firstly, let's have a look at catalog management. A catalog is a complete list of related products that can be displayed on a store site. In Liferay Commerce, products are saved to catalogs rather than sites. This allows administrators to control what users have permissions to edit certain product entries. It also allows products from a single catalog to be offered across multiple sites. Product visibility can be controlled through account groups and channels. So the big takeaway here is that we use catalogs to group together some products, and then we can use the catalog settings to control which users have permissions to edit these certain products. It also allows Liferay Commerce to say that it wants particular catalogs to be displayed on certain sites or channels. As you might expect, products are the goods and services available to purchase from your digital store. Product entries can include product descriptions, images and other related media, specifications, product options, which can influence the SKU and the price and the stock, product options, which can influence the price and available inventory, and also relevant categories. So these are all the different components that make up products in Liferay Commerce. Liferay Commerce uses the concept of channels. Channels are representations of where a business products are sold. So that could be digital stores, online marketplaces, in a retail environment, or in a wholesale environment. Liferay Commerce supports a multi-channel digital commerce experience. This means products can be configured to be visible to only one channel, while they are not visible to another. This means that products can be configured to be visible to only the channels where they are available. In practice, this means that you could have certain products visible to the Amazon Marketplace, for instance, and then you could have a different set of products visible to the Liferay Commerce site. And these could all be managed from within Liferay Commerce. Liferay Commerce supports pricing hierarchies. So this allows us to determine the appropriate price for a product given a particular set of criteria. It enables multiple prices to be set for the same product, and it also accounts for things like customer tiers, bulk orders, or negotiated deals. So on the right-hand side here, you can see the pricing system within Liferay Commerce and its hierarchical structure. So on the left-hand side of the diagram, we have 3 superseded by pricing components. So this is base price, list price, and tiered price. So as you can see, the list price supersedes the base price, but then tiered price supersedes the list price. So once we finish with the superseded prices, we can move on to the modified by prices. So these include product and category discounts, the subtotal, and the shipping costs. And at each stage of these, we can also add a discount as well. So then we have our total price, in which we can also add a total discount. So at each of these yellow stages, we are modifying the price, and on the red arrows, we are superseding the price. We know that detailed product entries lead to informed purchases, so this is why Liferay Commerce tries to give the buyer as much information as possible in the front end of the store. Liferay Commerce can also use product recommendations and relations that work together with categories and tags to improve customer browsing experience. Liferay Commerce aims to use product content and product recommendations together to create a better shopping experience. Knowledge check. Liferay Commerce is primarily designed for business-to-business digital commerce. The 3 aspects of Liferay Commerce that ultimately determine what and where goods and services are sold are products, catalogs, and channels. Among the core concepts of Liferay Commerce are the shopping experience, empowering the sales network, product content management, and order management.